How to fix PocketBase upload failed. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if PocketBase upload has failed. So without further ado, let's get started. Now to fix a PocketBase upload failed error, there are a couple of things that you can do. You must change your request payload to multipart/form-data and increase the max allowed file size in your collection settings or increase the body size limits on your reverse proxy. PocketBase does not accept raw JSON or base64 strings for file uploads. You must wrap your data inside a standard form data object. So in this way, you'll be able to fix PocketBase upload failed error by running a couple of these fixes. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.